Okay, 545 wants us to calculate the slope for these 2 points for A. So A slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So we get negative 11 minus 1 over 2 minus negative 2. So the slope is negative 11 minus 1, that's negative 12. 2 minus a negative is 2 plus 2, that's 4. So the slope equals negative 3. So now we know the equation is y equals negative 3x plus b, the y-intercept. Then we need to take one set of these points. I'll take the first one and substitute in. So y is 1, x is negative 2, and we're going to solve for b, right, because b is the unknown. So 1 equals negative 3, negative 2 is 6, plus b. Subtract 6, we get negative 5 equals b, right? b equals negative 5. So the equation would be y equals mx, m is negative 3, plus b, b is negative 5. So y equals negative 3x minus 5. So A was this, and then B, the work was here.